All right, everyone, you already know what today is, so let's get these ready. So, of course, everybody, y'all seeing the strawberry coughs, but it's perfectly fitting for what's going on for today. So, let's get a closer look. If y'all haven't looked at them, y'all gotta look at them. Just they're absolutely insane. Just the details that are in them. Of course, the leather quality is unbelievable. Everything on here is just so detailed. Then even the inside, of course, you can see the little strawberry guy right there, inside there. Of course, this is like you're hanging a strawberry right there. But of course, these were made for Strawberry Kush. Oh yeah. Let's see. It's absolutely perfect for today. So right now, of course, resale value is not extremely high on these. So if you have a chance, definitely get a pair before they start to shoot up because they will eventually shoot up. Everybody that I've talked to, everybody that I deal with, stuff like that, they're all saying this is going to be a at least like $800-900 shoe. But right now, I know we looked at StockX and Goat and stuff like that just recently, and they were sitting they're sitting below $500. So right now is the time to buy. If you can get them cheaper someplace else, definitely try. I know we were looking at like the size eights today, and they were like $315. So right now, definitely try to get one of these if this is like a type of Nike Dunk, the SB Dunks that you like. I mean, you just can't go wrong with them because I'm telling you, if you look at the history of anything like the course of skunks, those skunks are absolutely ridiculous in price. So definitely, especially for it's a perfect shoe to wear for today. So man, you gotta get these. These just again the quality of them, the leather quality, the little of course. I mean, it looks like a little strawberry. Everything about them is just so detailed. And then of course the little guy right there coughing. But definitely, I would. I mean, I'm gonna buy more and more pairs until they until they hit about 550, 600, then I'll stop buying them. But right now, it's still a good price. I mean, if you know anybody that's doing like a sneaker event or something like that, go there. You can get them a little bit cheaper, so you don't have to buy or pay for those fees and stuff like that StockX and Go charge. But if you are on Trade Block, look and try to trade a few like general release shoes and just to get them. Um, because like I said, they're they're not like this. They're of course these are nice, but they're nothing like this. These will never ever go over 450. These will definitely go up higher. So just get them while you can before they really do shoot up. Like I said, I think the skunks last time we looked at them, they were thousands and thousands of dollars. So get them while you can before they shoot up. But other than that, I will start doing a video at least once a week, if not more. Once I get more subscribers, then I'll definitely start doing the giveaways. And if you share this video or get like tag this YouTube channel in some of your like your stories or anything like that, just comment on the video, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. But definitely going to start doing a few giveaways. Um, but like I said, uh, this is the shoe, especially for today. So y'all just be careful, have some fun tonight, and even the little strawberries saying goodbye. Y'all guys have a good night.